In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get and access Sora AI 2. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to sora.chatgpt.com. Now, once you've done this, you'll basically be brought to the screen where you need to enter in the day that you were born, as well as a username that you want to be associated with your account. Now, once you've actually done this, you can actually see we have the option to stay on the old Sora, or you can actually enter in an invite code to actually access any of the new Soras. And we're going to click on enter an invite code. Once you do this, you just basically want to take this code that I have right here. And as you can see on this document, I've basically listed a few of the different codes that I have found that have worked for a bunch of different people. Now, just keep in mind, not all of these may work every single day, or some of these might be expired, but basically you can try all of these codes, and doing so, put them into Sora AI 2. And basically, some of these codes may or may not work depending on which code you use. Now, keep in mind they do expire, but if that does not work, what you can do is you can just go into Sora AI 2 invite code on Reddit, and you can see there's this super mega thread, which you can basically find any codes that people have may been used in recent times. You can see these are all recent messages with codes occasionally, and you can basically take one of these codes and just put it into your Sora AI, and you'll basically have access to it after you enter in one of these codes. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video, or if you have any other ways to find these codes, please let us know in the comments down below. And yeah, have a great day.